just life is good. You know what I mean? Like,
100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch.
All of the things I do.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Me.
Now you won't let go.
Bustin' a 40, spin on your shorty, don't do Bacardi. Bust up in yata, open your mata, shoot up the party.
Just leave me for somebody else.
On my face now, fuck. Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb? Huh?
We get it from my mama. We get it from my mama.
Yeah.
I got
a big booty.
I got and nines in this bitch. I got cutters in a hoe. I got pounds in this bitch. I got hoes running in and out the same minute. I go by young boy and I zip you up from talking shit.
I guess I'm dressed to play date to you. That's just sad.
the last one out to get this dough. Plug one out the bucket, head to hoes. No.
Don't worry about me, I'm a thug. You kill a street nigga, get a dime. If you kill a rap nigga, get a dub. Big chain on my neck, don't budge. Fucking days loaf like a stud.
You know it.
This the remix. Doja.
Keeping me in the moment. I get you
Hot. They're so very hot.
so much stage to like so. We the niggas in they touch. We so shoot up like shoot. I got racing streets like that. Big ass like it gotta be. Oh, to see without my eyes. The first time that you get.
Pimps and hoes, and my bitches who hit the blade in the dough. We ain't going for none of that shit this summer. We turning up on all these niggas.
Let me see you hit your pockets for a stack, nigga.
Let me introduce my skinny ass to y'all new niggas. Getting money be my main hobby. Who is you, nigga? Matter of fact, go and tell your bitch I said hi to, nigga, so she can come and bless this young P like what it do.
When your mom tells you to play outside.
YMCA. It's gotta be YMCA. What's Yamaka?
I can't take this anymore. I am a crayfish.
Why don't you say so? Why don't you say so?
Why are you recording?
I'm just on Snapchat.
Okay, well, can you like change the song because you played it like 500 times today? I don't listen to it.
Hey.
Did you mean to put that on your story?
What?
Did you mean to put that on your story? Did you mean to put that on your story?
But what on my story?
Go look.
No way.
Did you mean to put that on your story?
Stop it.
Did you mean to put it on it? Did you mean to put that on your story?
What?
Did you mean to put that on your story?
What the fuck is on my story? What's on my story?
Did you mean to put that on your story?
What?
Did you mean to put that on your story?
What?
Did you mean to put that on your story?
Put what?
Go look.
Miko, just for the winner. Big ass booty, I met her on Tinder. Shine like a trophy, yeah, baby, a winner. Eat up the dick while she cooking me dinner. Eat up.
in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of babe.
Hey, it's Hannah. Hannah Baker. I'm about to tell you the story of my life. More specifically, why my life ended.
You was at the club, bottoms up when I first met you, couldn't get enough. Had to get you straight to.
Oh my god, Emily, stop! Oh, she's such a crackhead! Ashley, chill! Oh my god! Sarah! Oh my god, she's a crackhead!
Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear, when I'm ready, I will fly us out of here.
Why you stalking me? You don't even follow me. Why you tweet my shit? You ain't used to read my shit. Bitch, you used to fucking leave me on scene and shit.
Oh, what are you doing, Steph Stool?
Sponge? It's okay. Sponge?
Nigga don't hop in the pussy be open. Nigga won't spot on the pussy like open. I make you horny, baby. Yeah.
I got issues. Yeah, bitch, I got issues. W, Vogue, Cosmo, I got issues.
Please do not talk to me if your private story name is Cracktivities with the emoji. That's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, the volume inside of this bus is astronomical. It is way loud. You know.
This is good because I could barely read, so I like looking at pictures.
No. No.
Thank you very much. That's much better. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you.
So this kid that bullied me in high school found my TikTok account, and he's been posting mean comments on my videos. And at first, I was a little upset about it. And then I realized, I wouldn't pop up on a straight guy's For You page. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
To the teacher that said I'd be a stereotypical Mexican and just become a landscaper, I start today, bitch!
You sleep. Don't close my door.
Hey mom, why can't orphans ever finish a joke?
Boys, go to game chat. We're about to roast. We're about to roast. You guys are fucking
Damn, bro.
ass.
Good
You're
games, man. You guys are a hell of a team, bro. I can't even lie, man. You guys got some really good players, man. Send me a friend request, man. Maybe we can play.
me and my sister polar opposites check. So this is me. My pride and joy. Loves green, obviously. And this is her. It's mental illness and...
Okay, how many likes for me to get... Baba, I'm so serious. It's like probably being abused. Stop laughing. How many likes? Stop it. Max is gonna... Alright, Max is gonna die lonely.
2 million.
2 million? 2 million likes.
Yeah.
2 million likes. Look at how cute it is. Yo, my skin looks phenomenal. I think the beauty filter's on. I was about to say my skin looks good, but hold on.
Okay, what should I do today? Oh, man, are you sure? Jeez, can I spin again? Jeez, why are you so mean? You wanna fight, bro? Oh yeah? What are you gonna do about it? Turn around? What the? Ah!
Imagine this sparkly sprinting at you, full speed. 5'9", she could eat me.
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
I tell her, don't dick ride, don't big ride, leave it to the double thick guys, twin sister, drop it down and wobble, wobble up, mommy boot it up, shake it down and gobble, gobble up, put my money up, slide, slide.
Now, let me add a little bit of spice to that.
Wow.
Yeah, I feel pretty sorry for the next guy who looks at me funny.
What about that guy?
It's in my wallet. I couldn't do it.
What kind of a plumber are you? 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 What kind of a plumber are you?
Seriously, what kind of a plumber is he? Oh, he's a platypus plumber. Perry the platypus?
I guess I'm just too tough to cry.
Just today you were crying about snakes.
They don't have any arms.
Hey, did you mean to post that on your story? What did I post? Hey, did you mean to post that on your story? What do you mean? Mean to post that on your story? Did I what? Did you mean to post that on your story? Post what? Go look what you posted. Okay, talk to me. Hey, did you mean to post that on your story?
Huh?
Did you mean to post that on your story?
Did you mean to post it on your story?
Let me explain to you guys why 6ix9ine is low-key a fucking genius. He already knows so many people are coming to this video just to throw hate on him, so look how he says what's up to him right off the rip. You can't avoid this. Fuck you, bitch, what's up? Then right here. Try and say he's not clout. 122 mil in 4 days. And look, he's got Brucey. He's got Brucey. Then the absolute audacity of here, bro. Then back at it. Back at it with the iced Brucey. The iced Brucey on Tekashi. Let's go. Fuck you.
3, 2.
Bye. Come on, girl. Bye.
Yo, that thing is fat. I'm trying to hit that. You're trying to hit one of them? Seriously? Come
Come on, man. You know what I mean.
They're women, not objects. What are you thinking about?
Come on, man. Everyone talks like that.
Only young boys talk like that. Be on a more mature level. Lead, don't follow.
Oh, look, you have a little Ford like a little girl. How cute. Can I come in your Ford?
No, it's bad bitches only.
I'm a bad bitch.
Yo, time to heat up my snack.
Oh my God, what the fuck?
Thank you for shopping with us. Have a good day.
Miko, just for the winner. Big ass booty, I met her on Tinder. Shine like a trophy, yeah, baby, a winner. Eat up the dick while she cooking me dinner. Eat up
You guys stop. Put a Garfield down if you started buying Garfields on eBay for a project and one of them was the right size, but you bought two at the same time and one of them was the wrong size and it was way too big. So you bought a third Garfield and it was way too small. So you bought a fourth Garfield and it was the same size as the one that was too big. So now you're debating on buying a fifth Garfield that's guaranteed to be the right size because it has the swing tag, which is the only indicator of what product it is. So, but it's $25 and you've already spent $65 on Garfields and you don't want to have spent $90 on Garfields, but you're heavily considering spending $90 on Garfields.
No! No!